5 warning signs you need alone time while in a relationship. You're in love. Everything should be wonderful, right? Sometimes it isn't. Occasionally, things go wrong. Not everyone gets along 24/7, 365. In every relationship, there will be blips on the radar. The real problem is when those tiny little annoyances start blowing up. What if you realized doing one small thing would keep your relationship just about bomb-proof no matter what the situation? When you allow yourself alone time, you get back your equilibrium. You stop reacting emotionally and return to a place of calm. You're able to think and react like a human being and not some crazed creature trying to pick a fight. In short, you're able to be a stable partner in the relationship. The trick, of course, is knowing when it's time to pull back and take a breather before things get bad. These 5 warning signs will help you spot the problems, hopefully, and take yourself out of the situation before you say something you'll regret. You're picking fights. Anytime you get irritable and start taking offense over little things, you can be seen as picking fights whether you mean it this way or not. The question to keep in mind here is whether or not you're being touchy and even unfair in your responses. Are you letting your emotions get the best of you? The spark is gone. Feeling bored with things like every day you're doing the same old things, having the same conversations with no change? You're shutting down. What about your other friends? When's the last time you went out, not as a couple, but just for some time with your BFF? Are you avoiding others or making excuses not to hang out? Are you even avoiding your partner? You're avoiding fun stuff. How do you feel about the things you used to love? Are you taking time for hobbies and other interests? Or have these been set aside and ignored completely? What about the things you and your partner used to do on dates? When's the last time you had an enjoyable night out together? When your partner suggests these activities, what happens? You're not you. Are you even feeling like yourself? This one might be hard to determine on your own. If you're not sure, ask someone who knows you really well for their opinion. For a really unbiased opinion, don't ask your partner. Sometimes you need someone outside of the situation to tell you where you are. If you don't like the answers to these questions, it's definitely past time to get some you time in. Make arrangements for some alone time. Make sure you keep this date. You need to rest and recharge and come at this again later when you're feeling more like you, which in turn puts you in a better place to enjoy being us again.